Hello everybody, this is Bailey with Twiddy and Company, bringing you a construction update of the brand new home ER004 Good Day Sunshine, located in Pine Island Reserve, a 12-bedroom oceanfront. Let's go take a look. Here on the third floor, the main room here. Have a look at these gorgeous views of the ocean from this room. Here's your view from the third floor oceanfront deck. The third floor also has a west side deck looking out over the sound for some beautiful sunsets. From the second floor deck, you can see you would still have some good ocean views. Pool will be placed right out here with your walkway taking you out to the beach. Have a look at the ocean from where that gazebo would be.